What's up, online shoppers? I have a new favorite companion in the kitchen, and it is not my husband. This is the Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set. This beauty is rust resistant and it's dishwasher safe. It cleans up like a dream no matter how you use it. And after the company gifted this to me for the purpose of doing a review, I've put it to use over the last couple weeks, and I want to tell you everything I love about it. Now, I have tested this one out in my kitchen. I have made sauces, I have made meats and used this, and I really, really love it. It has a really nice weight to it. It's got some really cool features. So for one, it has this really nice little rubber grip here. You can see the company name is right there. It has a wide opening. So sometimes garlic presses have these really narrow openings and you can hardly get a clove of garlic in here. But not only is the basket really big, you can get like a lot of garlic in here, actually more than one clove of garlic at a time. It also opens really wide so that the presser doesn't actually interfere with what's in the basket. And I really like that. The movement is really easy, and this doesn't move around a lot, so you can actually get the garlic in and get a good press going and get a lot of garlic when you do this press. I love these little pokey fingers on the plate that helps to crush the garlic through the holes. Now you can probably see me through the holes. They're a nice size opening and it creates a really lovely sized minced garlic for cooking. Now they also give you this really handy little brush that you can use to clean the garlic press. The brush bristles are long so they can go all the way through, so you can actually push out any garlic pieces that are remaining. And it's also really nice for getting the garlic out of this little fingered plate, so that cleanup is super easy with this. The way it feels in my hand is awesome. It really just fits. It's got a bit of a swoop to the handle here, a curve, and I have no problem getting my hand around it or squeezing it, no matter how much garlic I put in. I think that is also a definite plus. Along with the garlic press and the brush, they give you this genius little invention. This little silicone tube is awesome. Now I'm going to turn it inside out so I can show you what you do with it. This is a silicone garlic peeler, and what it does is you put the garlic cloves right in here, and these little nubby bumps on the inside rub up against the garlic when you put it in between your hands and add friction like this. What it does is it loosens the skin around each clove of garlic, which means it's easier to put the garlic in the garlic press and actually get your minced garlic nice and clean and free of any skin. If you don't take the skin off before you put it in the garlic press, you're gonna get that skin right in your garlic, and it is not gonna taste good in whatever recipes you're doing. So all you do to use this is take your cloves of garlic. Now I usually take the first layers of paper off, just like this, and get a couple cloves like these ones right here. And I put 1 or 2 cloves in at a time. For the purpose of the demonstration, we're just gonna do 1. So I'm gonna squeeze the end like this, drop my clove in, and I'm gonna just rub it back and forth between my fingers, give it some good friction. This is gonna loosen up the skin right off the clove of garlic. And when I drop it out, look at that. Fresh, smooth, clean like a baby bum, and no skin. If I go like this, here is the skin. It came off all in one piece. Super convenient. Let's do 1 more clove of garlic so I can show you that this is actually a high capacity garlic press, and you can actually do more than 1 piece of garlic at the same time. Oh, and there we go. 2 nice, smooth, completely peeled cloves of garlic. We're gonna put them in the basket. Like again, I said, look how nice open it is. And I can actually fit 2 cloves of garlic in here, just like that. Close the lid, and the spread here isn't too big for my hands, and I'll show you. Take a look at that. Here comes, oh, it's a juicy one. There comes the garlic, right out like that. You can just take your knife and separate it right off the garlic, nice and easy, and your minced garlic is awesome. Look at that. It is the ideal size for cooking, for garlic in a pan, for adding to your recipes. It makes a really nice minced garlic. Now for cleaning, all you have to do is open it up. Look at that. The pieces are popping off as I open it. It came right out without me even doing anything extra special. Now you can see there's a few little bits of garlic left in here. All I have to do is take my little brush and clean it off this way, And if there's anything remaining inside, just a push or two will clean the garlic right out of all the holes. I can pop this in my dishwasher. I can wash it by hand. Washes up really easy. And even going through the dishwasher, it's rust resistant and does a really nice job mincing the garlic. If you are looking for a nice little garlic press that feels good in your hand, that comes with the added bonus of this fantastic garlic peeler and a nice little brush for cleaning, this one here, the Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set, is definitely one you should consider. I've had it in use for a couple weeks at my house. Absolutely love it, and it has definitely become a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.